Shandeshi taba ga gore o robala le monada ra e tseba wena. Shandeshi o robala le monada wena le ya le buka kwa Zanini o tsamaya mo gae for 3 days wena. O tsamaya mo gae for 3 days ene ra tsa re monada ke ena go lasitseng gore o reke koloi ela go lasa ka 200,000 ene ra tsa re le phone ya go e o e berekisang la mafelelo o e reketse ke monada. Shandeshi ra go tsebela wena koloi ya go e rekile gona je o lasitse ke monada. Ene ra tseba re wena le monada le tsamaya ngaka e tee ga lo di event di sa tlale go nwa di event tša gore o di tlale wa tsare le la cricket club e berekile ke ngaka ya monada ya go bereka di 1 minute show tša monada. Shandeshi re go tsebela wena le tsamaya ngaka e tee wena le monada wena marreta ko kwago mona bona ngakanyane e la gago ele e dileng kua ra e tseba wena ke ya monada wena gonkwa ke ra mo tseba ko kopa siwe wena marreta ko kwago ra mo tseba mokekolola wa go se apare diete ra mo tseba mokekolola wa go berekela dile wena le monada wena monada go lasitse wa go nyoba wena marreta ko kwago sefebe se mona ge se ratile se ja ke tribe ba dia dikoša botse wena o sefebenyana wena marreta ko kwago sefebe sa artist marreta ko kwago.
Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Of course, that was Tsaka RSA. This time, he addresses Sandesh and King Manatha and makes, I must say, very serious and damaging allegations. Here's what he claims. He first claims that King Manatha and Shandesh are actually in a sexual relationship. He says to Shandesh, we know that when Ali Manatha are actually sleeping together. He says that Manatha's the one who actually gave Shandesh money, not, who helped her rather, with money. He says that Manatha gave Shandesh over 200,000 rand so that she could, buy her R1 million car. And he claims also that the phone that Shandesh uses was purchased by Manatha. And also he says that they would spend days, weeks, if not days, go Zanini, where they would book to, help each other out. She also made a very damning allegations of Ugutwala, saying, of course, Shandesh didn't fill stadiums before, didn't fill venues before, but ever since she got involved with King Manatha, she has been doing so. And he says that the reason why is because Batwele with a Sangoma, a gogo in Limpopo, and her name is Kukupasiwe. He says that Kukupasiwe is King Manatha's Sangoma, the one who helps Manatha Ukutwala to fill those stadiums. And he says that Manatha did take Shandesh there, which is why her career is taking off and she is filling venues and stuff. He says, we know Kukupasiwe is an old gogo who walks barefooted. And according to Tsaka, he says that Kukupasiwe is the one that Shandesh went to Twala, allegedly. You guys, what do you think about these? Because these are very serious and damaging allegations. Do you think that maybe there is maybe a pinch, a little bit of what Utsaka is saying, if it is like kind of true, or if it's just making it up like he usually does for social media clout? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, and of course do make sure, guys, that you do engage so that this video can be recommended. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much for clicking on this one, and may the good Lord bless you all. Bye.